In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Wuben B1 mountain bike light. It's marketed at 3600 lumens max and costs around $140 or around £100 at the time of filming. The light is constructed from metal, which gives it a solid feel, whilst doubling as a heatsink to dissipate the heat produced by the LED, although importantly keeping the unit lightweight, weighing in at only 164 grams. So taking a look around the box, on the front there's an image of the light itself with an overview of the specs, and on the back is a breakdown of the available modes, followed by a breakdown of the beam pattern, and finally a table of items included. So taking a look at what's included in the packaging, so we start with the barrel plug charger. My unit came with an EU plug, but it also included the appropriate travel adapter, so there's no problems there. Next is the B1 light itself, also fitted with the barrel plug to allow connection to the battery. Next up is the wireless remote, made from plastic and rubber, and it allows remote control of the light from the handlebars. The rubber mounting strap is also included, and that clips onto both sides of the remote and has enough stretch to accommodate a range of handlebar sizes. Finally, moving on to the 6600 mAh battery pack. So the battery pack features a neoprene case to provide some weather resistance, and it utilises a Velcro mounting mechanism that's worked well in my testing. To connect the light, you need to plug together the two waterproof barrel connectors, and they're used for both charging and connecting the light. The B1 features 4 LEDs on the back to display the remaining battery percentage, and also 2 rubber sealed buttons for control. The rubber mounting mechanism should be compatible with almost all bikes, including road and mountain bikes, and thanks to the rubber grips, stays well mounted even on bumpy terrain. The light contains 4 key modes as demonstrated on the video, starting with low at around 200 lumens, medium at around 1000 lumens, high at around 3000 lumens, and turbo at 3600 lumens, activated by double pressing the power up or on button. The light also contains the beacon flashing mode, which is sufficiently bright and should only really be used in the daytime to avoid dazzling others. The beam pattern of the light throws light very wide whilst retaining a bright central spot to help forward visibility. This makes it great for both on and off-road use and at a variety of speeds. One thing to note is that during use, the light gets very warm even when on the move, so be careful not to touch it if it's been powered on for any period of time. Battery life is good and provides times around those seen in the manual, with the beacon mode providing the most longevity. The wireless remote is useful for changing modes easily, although there is a slight delay compared to adjusting the settings using the buttons on the light. In summary, for a super bright, solidly built light suitable for a range of bikes, the Wuben B1 is a great buy. It provides great visibility and long run times to keep you safe whilst on the move, and I've included a link to view more information in the description. Thanks for watching.